morning, Steam Team. It is Wednesday. It is raining, but we got to make it to our favorite city. I just got up earlier this morning so I can run down here to get me some propane. Then I went on and gassed up the vehicle, the steam wagon. Now I'm on my way back to the house, pick up the wifey, and we got to go do a repeat customer down here in Fairburn. And then I'm supposed to be coming back to my neighborhood. I'm gonna either do the guy today or tomorrow. He's a repeat customer as well. But I know for sure that we're gonna do it today or tomorrow once I get back to the area. But anywho, that's what we got going on today. I just wanted to jump on here. I ain't talked to y'all since, I think it was Saturday when I did my last video. But yeah, just wanted to talk to y'all. We right there at the 2,000 mark. Not quite hit it yet. Hopefully by the time I post this video, we'll be at the 2,000. So I just want to go, I'm just go ahead and put it out there anyway. We done hit the 2,000 mark. So it's time to do that 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So now is the time that you guys need to start paying attention, because like we did at the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, it's gonna go down the same way. So y'all got to really start paying attention to the next few videos, because I'm gonna send out the rules and everything. I don't know what video I'm gonna do it in, so that's why I say y'all got to pay attention. But it'll be within the next few videos, and it's gonna tell y'all how to enter the contest and what we're looking for and how to you know, go about doing it. So please pay attention. fit on the bed. Okay, guys, 2,000.
Woo! Yeah, we did it, y'all. We did it. The Steam Team rocks.
It was a long journey, but hey.
We set that goal and we made it. Now the next goal is 3,000.
Alright, so
We're on our way, you guys.
y'all get ready for the
Giveaways.
and pay attention for the next few videos because we're gonna have the instructions and let you know about what you have to do in order to enter the contest.
That's right, and to win.
And I think we said 200 for the first place.
Yep.
What else? Was it 100 for the second place?
Then 50, if I'm not mistaken. 200, 150.
Yeah.
Like half and half and half.
And then the third place is 50. So that's 200, 100, 50.
That's right.
So pay attention because I'm gonna put all the instructions in the next few videos. So pay attention, pay attention, pay attention.
We really appreciate you guys because it took us as a team to get there, okay? It's not I and we. So you did a good job as well. Pat yourself on the back and give yourself a hug. All right, now it's time to work a little bit harder and push forward because now our goal is 3,000. And we can do this, y'all. With you, with us, we can do it. And this is our motivation talk for today.
Well, all right, guys, I ain't got nothing to talk about. But again, 2,000, we are in the house.
Yeah.
And like I said, we appreciate each one of you guys for your participation, your comments, all the positivity that y'all bring to the channel. Even the negativity, you know, it helps keep us pushing. To be honest with you, some of the negativities, I done took them in and made myself better with. It wasn't negativity, it's just the way they put it out there was negative. But the criticism was an A+ because it helped me to see some things where I was slacking up at. It's just people don't know how to respond or put it, you know, tell you.
Yeah.
They like to be stupid in the comments, but they still make their point. And like I say, I read them all, so I took it in and I started applying some of the stuff, and it makes a lot of sense. But if the person delivery was better, people probably could receive them better.
Yeah.
In person. I'm talking about, I'm sure that's the way they type, that's the way they talk.
That's true.
So they probably don't get no respect from people because they don't know how to communicate. But they did help me. Some of those negativities did help me because it helped me to see some of the areas I can improve in. So I just appreciate it all. And, you know, it helps out, man. pick up some mail from the old house. My title finally came to the van. Can y'all believe we just bought this van? What was this? We bought this van last March. Look on that picture I sent you.
March.
Yeah, what? 13th, wasn't it?
But you know, I just called a man. That's probably why.
No, I got the title. I'm saying, man, we blessed. God help us. We paid this thing on off in a year. That's what I'm getting at.
What's this paid off?
I mean, it's been paid off. We just
the
title was like the van came from Texas, and it was a process of getting the title. But I'm just saying, it's paid off. And see, that's why we can play around with our prices, because we ain't got no overhead like most of them other guys got. Some people got shops. Some people got 3-4 vans with payments on them, insurances. They got employees with workers' comp insurances and all these different payouts. So they got to be tip-top high on their prices. But we don't have no overhead. You feel me?
Yeah.
Our overhead is chemicals and gas and maintenance. And we put our little miscellaneous to the side for all that. But our profits is, man, people just don't understand. I love this. The profits is crazy in this here field, because especially now, we ain't got that note no more. Cause when we first got this van, it was $500. This van was $500 a month. Then the full coverage insurance was like another what, $2?
Yeah.
So we had to come up with something a month, period, whether we clean carpet or not. And y'all know when we first bought this van in March, I didn't even clean carpets in April because of that corona. So from March and April, we didn't even work.
I mean, I was like, no, don't get no note. No.
But I had to go and get another van.
No, we get a note. I was like, okay.
I mean, I don't have no car notes. I buy me some old cars. Like me, I'm an old Chevy man. I like to get me an old Chevy, fix it up to my liking, and ride. I don't see no purpose. I don't see a purpose of having a car note for something that I'm really not gonna be driving. It's just gonna be sitting in the yard. And this right here, this is like my third van I done had a note on until I paid them off. And the reason why I had a note was because it's an investment. Like I say, as far as cars go, I'm in this every day. I want that S550, and I think for my birthday I was telling her I may go ahead and do it, and that'll be the first time I get a car note. But I'm not gonna buy it. I'm gonna lease it. And that's what I told her again. That's how I feel about houses. Why buy me a car with a 5-year note? After 2 years, you're gonna get bored with it and ready for something else. So, I mean, I just lease. I'm gonna lease the car when I get mine. That way, after whatever my term is, I can turn it in and get me something else, because I'm still gonna be paying a note regardless. And I ain't never met nobody who had a car the full term of their contract. They either traded it in, got something else, then they still owe on that. Then they got something else, and after a couple of years, they traded that one in and got what they call it, payment. What they call that thing? Got under with the payments. What they call it?
I'm trying to remember the word.
But anyway, y'all know what I'm talking about. So all they do is tack that on to the next one, tack that on to the next one, and you forever in debt. When you can just lease your car. After 2 years, send them on, get rid of it. I mean, you still paying the drive. I don't know. That's just my mind, and that's just me. I mean,
I'm totally opposite.
Yeah, I don't agree. I mean, I don't know people who different and lease that thing for a year or two. I lease it for 2 years, then get the newer one, or just go get something totally different. That's just my mindset, though. Man. Let's see how. We don't never know. I mean, you never know. I may next year we don't change my whole perspective. Be ready about something, but it ain't no big deal for me. I'm 44 years old. Ain't got no desire to buy a car. But I am gonna get these Benz, the an S550 for my birthday. Whether I lease it or whether I buy it, I'm gonna do one or the other. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna put up at my old crib. I gotta get my title and check the mail. What'd you say?
I said the other meal. You want to have seafood for dinner today?
They ain't even trying to open it early.
It's 12 o'clock.
I pass. Yeah, man. I be laughing at some of them guys. They be buying them vans and they got $800-900 notes for 4 years.
You know, now they got them years going all the way up to 8 years.
I don't care. That's more
Like that
than
red car my mama had, she had that for 8 years.